Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to create Alice in Wonderland pop art cartoon Halloween style. So if you want to know how you can create a makeup just like this one, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. To start out our cartoon pop art Alice in Wonderland Halloween look for today, I have the Matte HD foundation palette by Ben Nye. I'm going to use this color, it is called Fairest, and I'm going to put it on the skin using the brush by Titanic Effects. This is brush 208 and it is perfect to put a base foundation on the skin with. As this is a cream-based foundation, I do need to set it with a powder, and that is why I'm using the neutral set powder also by Ben Nye, and I have a fluffy brush by Titanic Effects to put the powder on my skin. Switching to a powder puff. Now in the cartoon, of course, Alice doesn't wear any eye makeup, but I feel that if she would, it would definitely be blue. So I have some lovely shades of blue and teal in this palette, and that is why I'm going to start out with the eye makeup using the rainbow palette by Ben Nye. I am also adding the darker blue from the same palette. And a bit of black, obviously. For the lips, I'm going to work with solids by Pro Air. I'm going to use the blood red and activate it with Pro Long. And I'm choosing solids for my lips because it is waterproof and it won't smudge the white when I want to put white over it in a bit. So that is why I'm choosing this product instead of a water-based face paint. I don't have my compact mirror near me and I'm not wearing my glasses, so it's kind of guessing where my lips end at this point. It is time to put the black in this makeup, and for that I'm using the black by Diamond Effects, and I just have a detail brush to do this. So the first thing I will do is my eyebrows. I didn't cover mine, so I do need to use the ones I have, but there will be loads of lines in there, and I will talk you through this while we go along. So I'm just going to cover my eyebrows. Obviously our Alice hasn't slept in forever. So I am going to outline the lips with just the regular black face paint now. With white by Diamond Effects, I am going to put the highlights on this pop art look. So I'm going to focus on one side of the face, as that would hit the light. It would be a bit more highlighted, but basically I will just highlight the features you would highlight in a regular makeup as well. This is the base of my pop art Alice. I'm going to continue to red, and I have the red by Maroon Paradise to add a bit of blood under my mouth. A black outline for around the blood, because in cartoon everything has an outline, and a small white highlight as well. I put a tiny bit of latex at the back of these little figures, and I will just put them on the skin like this and add blood to it for the effect. So I want the end to stop in the black face paint I just put on there. And finally, obviously, the heart shape. To add the blood, I'm going to use the red by Maroon Paradise again. I love this color. And we go back to black. And white for the highlights. I think it's time for the wig, the colored contact lenses and the costume. And there the look is complete. So I have a long haired blonde wig because Alice's hair is blonde, of course. I chose some light blue contact, evenly colored contact lenses because mine have loads of shades of blue and these are just one color, and that, well, fits the pop art cartoon look very well. And the costume is just from a local party store. So with that, my makeup for today is done, and I must say I had loads of fun creating this. I always love those pop art cartoon looks, and creating a Halloween pop art cartoon look, well, I had the time of my life. So I hope you enjoyed the video as well. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. For now, I wish you a wonderful day, and of course I hope to see you back here tomorrow.